Changzhou Yongming Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited. Diligence, devotion, and dedication to the plastic weaving industry 20 years. Innovation, progress, and leading the development of the plastic weaving machinery. Integrity, professional, and support clients to create more values. Changzhou Yongming Machinery Manufacturing Limited Company is located in the Yangtze Delta economic sphere, Chinese most economically prosperous region. Since its foundation, Yongming Machinery has been focusing on the development and production of plastic weaving machinery. The company has adhered to brand line, technological innovation, and lean management, constantly following the operating principle of quality is the foundation of company and management is the development of enterprise. Through the cooperation with global famous brand Enterprise, we keep sharing the advanced technologies, experience, and knowledge with each other. The company has an integrated quality guarantee system with scientific production management process controlling the quality from the source and focusing on the customer's demand to ensure the product quality and reliability. The professional team promotes the constant growth in technology development. The company mainly researches and manufactures 4 major categories of machines, such as plastic extrusion tape stretching line, plastic circular loom, plastic extrusion coating line, and plastic sheet and plate extrusion machine. And currently, it is engaged in the optimizing of the artificial turf monofilament line and carpet backing production line, etc. The technical specifications of the various major machines have tracked with latest international levels. Entrusted by the National Standardization Committee of the National Plastic Machinery, it has initiated a multitude of industrial standards for single-screw plastic extruder, auxiliary machine, a plastic tape extrusion line, plastic circular loom, plastic extrusion coating line, and auxiliary machines, etc. Through constant innovations and enterprising efforts, the company has won China Top Brand, passed the certification of ISO 9001 QA Assurance System and the ISO 14001 Environmental System Certification, the complete set of CE certification. It has also obtained 60 patents, Class AAA Enterprise Credit Rating, as well as such a series of qualifications and honors as the National High-Tech Enterprise and Jiangsu Provincial Technical Research Center of multifunctional high-yield plastic knitting drawing machines. Yongming Plastic Extrusion Tape Stretching Line optimizes the conventional extrusion structure, adopt DST driving motor, has advantages of compact structure, large torque, high efficiency, and less maintenance. The screw is made of special dual metal material, which greatly increases the extrusion output and maximum production speed, reaches 600 meters per minute. The hot air oven adopts a specialized temperature control modules in coordination of stretching gudget to ensure the tape stretching. The tape line also adopts dual station auto winder, which greatly elevates production efficiency and reduces labor costs. Meanwhile, other devices are also supplied to meet different customers' requirements, such as dosing unit, melt pump, online film thickness detection system, automatic adjustment T-die, 3-folding device, fibrillator, and touchscreen control system. The plastic circular loom adopts plate cam structure, runs stably without oil lubrication. The latest development adopts DST servo motor, simplifying the transmission structure. The high-precision automatic warp yarn tension control provides excellent weaving conditions for plastic fabric. The control system adopts PLC centralized control and the advanced man-machine interface operational and powerful functional parameters facilitates the constant grasp of the circular loom operating condition. The plastic extrusion coating line adopts a movable extrusion system. Its professional mechanical design and advanced electrical control system provide the excellent products to the users. The sophisticated T-die ensures lamination under high-speed running. In order to meet different customers' requirements, we also provide such a series of optional devices as a 300 rotations per minute high-revolution screw, melt pump, tension control system, and corona treatment system, online waste edge recycling system, and touchscreen industrial control system. Dedication in the heart and diligence at the action. The company has been advocating the manufacturing of low-energy and high-efficiency equipment and elevating the equipment quality and performance to carry out the various links in the design and production of perfect quality control. Its advanced production equipment and perfect testing method provide strong support for its rapid development. At present, the company has an internationally advanced 5-axle linkage processing center, a 5-axle linkage gantry machining center, and a horizontal machining center, and laser cutting machines, etc. A series of high-precision specialized processing equipment. Yongming Machinery has set high standards of quality, safety, and values in R&D, production and testing, etc. Each processing to ensure all products with excellent performance and advanced technology. Series products of Yongming not only serve in Chinese large-scale petrochemical and packaging industries, but also exported to more than 60 countries and regions. The sales and service networks cover the whole world. We are focusing on creating national Yongming brand. Relying on the domestic market, we regularly participate in the big professional exhibitions. For the expansion of overseas market, our research and development tends to high efficiency and low consumption. The major cooperative partners include PetroChina, the various branches under Sinopec, Grief USA, China Baosteel, Thailand Chaoran, Mondo Group, Korean LG Group, FSPG High Tech, Qingdao Bellenturf Industrial, and Jiangsu CC Grass. Today, Yongming Machinery adheres to people-oriented and proactive of the spirit and embark on the mission of revitalizing national brands. Tomorrow, armed with the tenet of assuming obligations, exploring the unknown, and surpassing the past achievements, write a more glorious chapter in the history of weaving machineries.